I already did my right hand and I'm gonna do my left exactly same like this. I apply the natural base first with a base gel number 1 on 2/4 of my nail. Do this step on rest of your fingers. Natural base is a clear powder. We are using it because it gives the strength of the natural nails. We apply just 2/4 of the nail. This is how we develop the apex on it. I have mentioned before, it is a clear powder, but you can't use it to cover the glitter because it isn't crystal clear. We have got another powder, it's called Top Clear DO2, that is a crystal clear. We recommend that to use top of the nail. After every layer we have to brush off the excess powder with a soft makeup brush. I'm gonna use the 71 and the 32 and some chunky glitter to do my nails. I'm gonna apply a full layer of glitter color. And be careful, go close to the cuticle area but don't touch the skin with the brush. I'm gonna do glitter on 4 fingers. Keep the ring finger clean because I'm gonna do chunky glitter on that later on. No worries if the first layer isn't perfect because we have to apply some more. I'm gonna put a regular color on the ring finger. Apply the second layer of color on all of them. Don't go that close to the cuticle how you did at the first layer. This is how we can build chunky glitter in the dip powder. Apply a really thin layer of base gel. After this, wipe off the brush. You're supposed to have almost nothing in your brush. Take some chunky glitter and try to separate on the nail surface. After this, wipe off your brush and put it back in the butter. We have to apply the clear top DO2 to protect the glitter. It dries in 30 seconds and you can do the final shape. After this, apply the activator and wait a minute before you apply the top coat. Use the top coat in 2 layers. The first layer doesn't have to be perfect, but it has to be a thin layer. The second one can be a thicker layer, and you have got more time to do it perfect. This is the result on the daylight, nice and shiny.